About how you can get paid for doing things you do anyway. You know, so let's do it. There's this fairly well-known app called Swag Bucks. I'm sure you've probably heard of it. It's a great app because you can use it to make money. Just whenever you have some downtime. Like if you're just standing in the line at the supermarket or something, you can open it up. You can put a video on and just let the video play while you're waiting in the line. You don't even have to watch it really. And then you'll be able to earn swag bucks, and then you can convert those swag bucks into gift cards, which converts into money, and so on and so forth. Taking surveys is another thing that they have on there. Not really passive at all, but playing games is something that you might do by already, so you could passively earn money while you're playing games. You can use it to search for stuff like you do on Google. There's coupons on there. There's lots of things going on with swag bucks. I suggest you try it out for yourself. Why not? Because you can get a $5 sign up bonus. It's completely free to use. You can get paid to watch cooking shows, so do it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, so sign up for swag bucks. Next, you can get paid just for walking around. There's this app called Sweatcoin. I'm not sure if you know about it or not. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've got over 40, I think it might be at $50 now, or 50 sweat coins now. Sweat coins are like a digital currency, a cryptocurrency essentially. You can use them to pay for different offers. And once you reach 20,000 sweat coins, I believe you can cash out for 1,000 US dollars or 1,000 PayPal money, however that converts to your country. But it's very easy, right? You just sign up, you download the app, you walk around, and then the app will, convert your steps into the currency. There's a cap on how many steps you can make each day. I think it's like 10,000. So if you want to get more steps, you can sign up for the different levels. Okay, but I don't want to get into that. You can check it out for yourself. Download the app, install it on your device, let it run in the background while you're walking and doing your daily thing. The steps you take get converted into sweat coins, and you can spend those on offers inside the app. All right. Next thing we're going to talk about, and the last thing, is getting cash back for purchases that you make on the internet through different stores. Okay, so this one's called Ebates. They got a $10 sign up bonus, so you join up through my link, you get $10. You're welcome. You join up through anyone's link, you get $10. It doesn't matter. So it's totally free. They give you up to 40% cash back for your purchases, up to 40%, not always 40%. So if you do a lot of shopping online, you could make a lot of money back from your habit, okay? And that's passive income. You don't do too much, but you're getting paid, right? There's tons of ways out there to get paid with passive income. Those are just a few, all right? If you know some more and you want to add to this list, throw them in the comment section below. I dare you. And finally, I will talk about just one way that you guys can make some really good money. I mean, it's a lot of work up front, but it can end up being very passive income. It's what I'm doing, and that is combining affiliate marketing with my blog, and then also kind of using YouTube. I've made a little bit of money through YouTube, passive income through YouTube, but it's not been very consistent. So I kind of switched over. I'm still doing YouTube, obviously, you see me here, but I switched over and kind of focused on using Pinterest and this software called Tailwind to drive traffic to my blog articles, and my blog articles all have like affiliate links inside of them, and that's been working out pretty good. Okay, I've been making, I don't know, a couple bucks a day consistently for the past like 2 weeks. So I'm almost up to $100 for the past like 3 weeks, and it's really, I've only been hitting it hard for like 3 or 4 weeks. I don't know, but I haven't been doing it very long, but I've been making good money. And I can credit this all to the courses that I've taken. I invested in myself, my education, and it's paying off. So I highly recommend that you take this course that I got in here. It's How to Blog for Beginners by the Create and Go team. And then also their Pinterest Academy, Pinterest Traffic Avalanche Academy. That one's really helped out too. That's what got me all my traffic coming in, like over 10,000 visitors in less than 3 weeks. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll have links to them in the blog post. The blog post is linked in the description of this video. Check it out if you want to make some more money. If you don't want to make more money, I don't know what you're doing. But yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my future videos. Peace.